grab me. Like,
Like hold on to you?
when we get to that door, I swear. Cause I'm gonna go in the front.
It said it again. In a little whisper in my ear. Did y'all guys hear it too? It was like wind whispering. But it was in my ear. I don't know if y'all guys heard it.
I didn't hear it.
I heard it. I was like,
Should we do this?
Well,
we're already in here.
we're already going.
We died. Life.
Hold up. That piece was not sticking out. Look at the top. That was flat. It looks like it's got pushed out.
Oh, fuck.
You see the shadow running across the floor?
Let's do this. Come on.
Did the board move?
Yeah, big time.
Shit.
It moved big time.
Wait, we gotta hold him. Nick, he's our friend. Let's just hold him.
Look, the board used to be right here. The end of the board.
You ready to go? Alright, go ahead, Pete.
Little bitches.
Move that board. I'm tired of it. Pick it up. Pete?
Run.
Ham. There's a ham on it. Like a shower head. Pete, you alright? You getting anything?
Let's do this again.